So today we're looking at the Genki portable Nintendo Switch dock. If you're like me, then you like playing with friends on a big screen. The problem is, the official Nintendo Switch dock is huge, bulky, and cumbersome to carry around. This is where the Genki Covert dock comes into play. In the box, you get a Type-C to Type-C cable, the manual, cool sticker, a carrying pouch for the dock, and of course, the dock. Isn't it tiny? It has 3 ports in the front, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, full HDMI, and a collapsible AC connector on the back. As you can see, it's quite small when compared to the official Switch dock. It's currently going for $69.99 on their website. In case you were wondering, yes, it should fit in your pocket. If you enjoyed this unboxing, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a review on this product. Thanks for watching.